green tail.
Different legs.
Kangaroo.
Different shells. Different legs.
I know.
We learned the words ngayu, I, nundu, you, ngandan, we, yura, you all, kapir, girl, yarka, boy, Gamba Old woman, Wulmaan Old man, and ye, this. Tell your partner the word for I. Yes, ngayu means I. Tell your partner the word for you. Yes, nundu means you. Tell your partner the word for we. Yes, ngandan means we. Tell your partner the word for you all. Yes, yura means you all. Tell your partner the word for girl. Yes, kapir means girl. Tell your partner the word for boy. Yes, yarka means boy. Tell your partner the word for old woman. Yes, Gamba means old woman. Tell your partner the word for old man. Yes, Wulmaan means old man. Tell your partner the word for this. Yes, yi means this. Tell your partner the word for I. Tell your partner the word for you. Tell your partner the word for we. Tell your partner the word for you all. Tell your partner the word for girl. Tell your partner the word for boy. Tell your partner the word for old woman. Tell your partner the word for old man. Tell your partner the word for this. Wanderer. I am Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to say tall, short, big, little, and kangaroo. Galbay means tall, Murru means short, warrga means big, bitha means small, kangaroo means kangaroo. The girl is tall.
Track the word as I speak.
Kapir galbay. Galbay is tall. Say gal, say galbay. Say galbay, say galbay. Kapir galbay is the girl is tall. Say kapir galbay. Say kapir galbay. Say kapir galbay. Say to your partner that the girl is tall. The boy is short.
Track the word as I speak.
Yarka Murru. Murru is short. Say Murru. Say Murru. Say Murru. Say Murru. Yarka Murru is the boy is short. Say Yarka Murru. Say Yarka Murru. Say Yarka Murru. Say to your partner that the boy is short. This is a kangaroo.
Track the word as I speak.
Yi kangaroo. Kangaroo is kangaroo. Say ka, say nguru. Say kangaroo. Say kangaroo. Say kangaroo. Say kangaroo. Yi kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Say yi kangaroo. Say yi kangaroo. Say yi kangaroo. Say to your partner whether this is a kangaroo. The kangaroo is big.
Track the word as I speak.
Kangaroo, warrga. Big is warrga. Say warrga. Say warrga.
Yep.
Say warrga.
Yep.
Say warrga.
Yep.
Say warrga.
Yep.
Kangaroo, warrga. Is the kangaroo is big? Say kangaroo, warrga. Say kangaroo, warrga. Say kangaroo, warrga. Say to your partner whether the kangaroo is big. The kangaroo is small.
Track the word as I speak.
Kangaroo, bitha. Small is bitha. Say bitha. Say bitha. Say bitha. Say bitha. Kangaroo bitha is the kangaroo is small. Say kangaroo bitha. Say kangaroo bitha. Say kangaroo bitha. Say to your partner, the kangaroo is small. Let's read the words we need to remember. Galbay means tall. Murru means short. Warrga means big. Bitha means small. Gangarru means kangaroo. This is the end of the lesson. So it's time to say goodbye. Namagara.